Hi there, my name is Krista, and I am here to tell you about an amazing opportunity called Farmasi. Farmasi is an amazing company that is changing my life and the lives of so many others. Farmasi is a direct sales company specializing in cosmetics, makeup, skincare, hair care products, products for men and babies, and so much more. Farmasi is actually based out of Turkey. It is the #1 direct sales company in Turkey, and it is the #3 direct sales company in 25 other countries. Farmasi launched in the US in 2019, and we have just celebrated our 2-year anniversary here in the US and in Puerto Rico. And so we are very unsaturated. There are so many people that don't know about Farmasi. So as a Farmasi beauty influencer, I get to tell them. I get to tell them what this amazing opportunity is doing for me and my family. I get to tell them how Farmasi allows me to work from home, just simply sharing the products and the business opportunity on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Snapchat, on YouTube, and most fun, face-to-face in person with friends and family. Farmasi was created by Dr. C. Tuna. He was actually the first Turkish pharmacist to create his own products. He has been in business for over 70 years, and because of his commitment to excellence, he's created products for us that we can proudly represent. They are created with integrity. All Farmasi products are toxin-free, they are paraben-free, they have no GMOs, they are cruelty-free, vegan certified, they are free from any endangered species of plants, and a large percentage of Farmasi's products are also gluten-free. So how do you get started in this amazing opportunity? You can start a Farmasi business for as low as $19.99. For $19.99, you can get the basic starter kit. And right away, you will have a free website where you can send people to purchase products. You will get 50% off any Farmasi products that you buy for yourself or for your family, and you will earn 50% commissions on any products that you sell. And Farmasi pays once a month directly to your bank account if you choose. And when you start sharing the Farmasi opportunity with others, income starts to come from multiple sources, and the income can be unlimited. You choose. So I am here today to inspire you and to impress upon you that the time is now. There's never been a better time to get started in Farmasi. Farmasi can change your life. Just $19.99 can elevate your family, can elevate your standard of living, can pay for a child to go to college, can pay for a new car, can do upgrades to your home. I know that you have dreams. I know that you have goals, and I know that there are things out there that you want. And Farmasi can be the vehicle that can take you there. It's changing my life and the lives of so many others. And I'm here to tell you how you can be a part of it, how we can be a part of it. So I am going to send you to my website at www.kristasblessings.com to get started today. Now, if you're concerned that you are not good at selling, you don't need to be. Everyone that is a success in Farmasi has said that. I'm not good at selling. It doesn't matter. My team and I are going to teach you and train you on how to share these products and how to share this opportunity with others in a way that's fun and never pushy and never feels awkward. If you're worried that you're not good at makeup, don't be. You just have to enjoy the products. You have to enjoy using the products, enjoy talking about how awesome the products are, and sharing them with others. It's really just about having fun, and that makes you contagious. So I encourage you to click the link either below this video or click the link below this video, the button below this video, and join my team today, or go directly to www.kristasblessings.com and say yes to Farmasi, or get back with the person who sent you here. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.